Trading futures and options involves significant risk and is not suitable for all investors. You should consult with your financial advisor to determine if such trading is appropriate for your financial situation and experience. ITG Capital Management LLC and its affiliates make no guarantees of performance, accuracy, or profit from the use of any trading system, signal, or algorithm, including ITG Quantum AI or any educational strategy. Welcome to another episode of the ITG Edge educational series, where we showcase the capabilities of our proprietary trading algorithm, ITG Quantum AI, and its adaptability across different financial instruments. So far, you've seen how ITG Quantum AI performs on the futures markets, where it was originally designed to operate. You've also seen how it successfully trades in the highly volatile and decentralized world of cryptocurrencies. Today, we're testing something different again, equities. Specifically, Apple Inc., AAPL, one of the most well-known and widely traded stocks in the world. Let's talk about our setup. We're using historical tick data provided by Google Stocks and Yahoo Finance to simulate real-time market conditions. For this test, we will set our risk and profit target at $20,000. Use a 15-minute chart with our signal indicator set to aggressive mode. Define a target move of 100 ticks or $1 per share with an equal-sized buffer. Trade in blocks of 100 shares, which is a standard trading lot in the equities market. Let the AI decide the direction of each trade once the signal is generated. And, importantly, we will only trade during regular market hours, from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Central Time, avoiding the less predictable pre- and post-market sessions, and not carrying positions overnight to avoid gap risks. This brings us to a critical comparison, stocks versus futures. Unlike futures contracts, which are highly leveraged instruments traded on margin, equity trading is typically done in a cash account or with small leverage via margin borrowing from your broker. Futures markets offer extended hours, tax benefits under Section 1256, and lower capital requirements. In contrast, stock trading requires higher capital, and traders must comply with the pattern day trader rule, which mandates a minimum account balance of $25,000 if you plan to actively day trade U.S. equities. That said, stocks like Apple are highly liquid, well-regulated, and less prone to the extreme volatility or slippage you might see in crypto or even some lower-volume futures. For this demonstration, we tested the algorithm over a one-month period, May 2025. Now, remember, this is not a recommended strategy, nor is it financial advice. This is a performance simulation intended to showcase the adaptability of ITG Quantum AI in different market environments, from margin-based futures to decentralized crypto, and now to regulated equities. So how did we do? Well, let's look at the results. Even without hitting our full trading goal or breaching our risk limits, we still saw a very strong performance. Our losses were controlled and limited primarily to end-of-day forced exits due to session constraints. There were no major collapses, like you often see in futures, and no wild reversals like in crypto. Instead, we had structured price movements, and ITG Quantum AI capitalized on them intelligently. By the end of the month, we closed with over $12,000 in net profit, a very respectable result, especially when you consider that during the same period, Apple's stock declined from $213 to $199, representing a loss of $1,400 per 100 share block. In other words, while Apple's price fell, ITG Quantum AI rose to the occasion, adapting to the slower-moving equity market and still delivering market-beating results. Now, if you're considering trading equities using our algorithm, keep this in mind. U.S. regulators classify frequent intraday stock traders as pattern day traders. If you place more than 3-day trades in a rolling 5-day period and your account is under $25,000, your broker may restrict your trading privileges. Always understand the regulatory environment and financial requirements before you begin. Let's wrap it up with an important note. Trading stocks, futures, and cryptocurrencies all involve risk. The risk of loss in trading can be substantial. This video does not constitute trading advice, investment recommendations, or an endorsement of any specific strategy. All performance shown is hypothetical and does not account for slippage, fees, or real market execution delays. Past performance is not indicative of future results. At ITG Edge, our goal is simple: to build adaptive, intelligent tools for serious traders. Whether you're trading futures, cryptocurrencies, or stocks, ITG Quantum AI proves time and again that with the right system and the right discipline, you can find an edge, even in a changing market. Thanks for watching. Until next time, trade smart, trade disciplined, and trade with an edge.